Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.quoteoftheday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Unleash the greater you. If you want to recreate the new version of you, you cannot recreate by holding on to the past. Holding on to the past only recreates yesterday's. If you want to recreate you, embrace change and hold the vision in your mind of your creation. Allow the unfamiliar and the unknown to shape you into who you are destined to be. The past can be a teacher, and the unknown can be your opportunity to unleash the greater you. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And I believe this poem with all my heart. I believe that whatever you're thinking of, whatever you truly keep thinking about and wanting and desiring, if you keep putting out there and be persistent, you're going to create it. And God will open the doors for you. Just walk through them. Sometimes you think, oh, it can't be. But then later on down the road, you look back and you'll be astounded the things that can happen. Just follow your heart, follow love, and you'll always be happy. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.